Have you ever wondered why you can sue the government for violating your constitutional rights, but usually not a private individual or company for similar actions? This fundamental distinction lies at the heart of an important legal concept. In United States constitutional law, the state actor requirement means that most constitutional protections, particularly those found in the Bill of Rights and the 14th Amendment, apply only to actions taken by the government or entities acting on its behalf. This is a crucial concept that defines the scope of constitutional claims. The core reason for this requirement stems from the very nature of the Constitution itself. Its primary purpose was to limit governmental power, not to regulate private conduct. Many constitutional amendments, such as the First Amendment protecting freedom of speech or the Fourth Amendment guarding against unreasonable searches, are framed as restraints on government. The 14th Amendment, specifically, begins with the phrase "no state shall," clearly indicating its direct application to state governments. This means that for someone to successfully claim a violation of their constitutional rights, they typically must demonstrate that the alleged harm was caused by a state actor. This could be a federal, state, or local government entity, a public official, or even a private party whose actions are so intertwined with the government that they are considered to be acting under its authority. Identifying a state actor is not always straightforward. Courts use various tests to determine if private conduct rises to the level of state action. One common test is the public function test, where a private entity performs a task traditionally and exclusively done by the government. Another is the entanglement test, which looks for significant governmental involvement in or encouragement of the private actor's conduct. For example, a private company managing a prison under contract might be deemed a state actor. The implications of this doctrine are far-reaching. It clarifies that while your rights are robust against government overreach, they do not generally govern your interactions with private employers, businesses, or individuals. If a private entity discriminates against you or infringes on your speech, your remedies would typically lie in statutory law, such as civil rights acts, rather than direct constitutional claims. Understanding the state actor requirement is key to appreciating how constitutional law operates within our legal system. It provides a clear framework for when the supreme law of the land applies, ensuring that government actions are held to constitutional standards, while leaving most private matters to be regulated by other areas of law.